Gates open, that up and racing. Let's reconcile. Draws for your lead. Moving a party outside. Mr. Kawaisu. Raymond Star in between runners. My Chic. Gray Magic down on the inside. Then moving a party outside. Reporter Renzi stays and Hakuna Matata running second last while. Hoy! Sobra na is running at the tail of the field as they round a 3/4 mile distance. Let's reconcile in control by about half length. Running alongside Mr. Kawaisu. Gray Magic is in third. Moving a party outside the reporter together with Renzi Stays. Hakuna Matata also closing in. My Chic by the Relandari outside. Raymond Star and a long way back to Hoy. Sobra na. Heading towards the last 600. Now we have the Lone Gray Galloper. Gray Magic in command by Alec. Running in second is Hakuna Matata. Renzi Stays moving up in third and running by the Railport, Mr. Kawaisu. Let's reconcile, firing back once again as they turn to the final 450. Gray Magic still leading the field, Mr. Kawaisu. Let's reconcile is sorry outside as they turn for home. Mr. Kawaisu now in command, followed by Gray Magic. Let's reconcile in third. My Chic moving up to take for Andori outside. Renzi Stakes with the last 150 meters more to run. Gray Magic regains the lead from Mr. Kawaisu. Let's reconcile and My Chic. And finally, Gray Magic, My Chic. Let's reconcile Renzi Stays and Mr. Kawaisu. Then, Hakuna Matata for your super size.